This is not your ordinary SVR. This is the Overfinch, genuine Overfinch SVR on a 2019 registration with 43,000 miles on. It's had tens and tens of thousands of pounds added to this car. So if you are comparing this car to a standard SVR, this is not the car for you. It is stunning. First of all, you have your standard 575 brake horsepower, but it's had the full conversion. That's exterior and interior. On top of that, it's had a full satin PPF, which gives it this beautiful matte finish. Now the Overfinch conversion, it's not just a few badges on the front, whilst it does have that. It's the full bumper. This whole bumper is completely converted by Overfinch. It's all carbon fibre with exposed sections. This car has full Land Rover service history. It's in a stunning condition, but I am going to go around and show you as much as possible in detail that I can and just show you the differences. So there's carbon here with the LED strip lighting system. You've got carbon fibre Overfinch grille. The whole splitter with the different levels here just look amazing. And then you've got more carbon fibre on this inner section. You've also got front rear parking sensors, headlight washers, LED daytime running lights from the factory, full carbon bonnet with the scoops just there. But then you have the 22-inch upgraded gloss black Overfinch wheels, again stamped on, and they are forged wheels. Air suspension, everything is colour coded. Certain parts of the car have been left in gloss black, so they pop slightly differently. You have got carbon fibre mirror cap covers here, contrasting black roof, and then you've got the tilt and sliding panoramic roof. You've got soft closed doors, comfort access, but then check this out as an interior. This is no standard SVR interior. It's the full Overfinch conversion. So you can see the diamond quilted leather seats, the beading, the white stitching, the same beading and stitching on the armrest. You have got from the factory though, the carbon fibre interior package. That's the steering wheel, door cards, centre bridge. This car then has heated, ventilated, electric memory seats, heads-up display, full digital dashboard. You've got the upgraded sound system, and then they have changed the Overfinch entry kick plates. These little pockets open up, and then the extended lever on the door card is also changed. This isn't factory, this is Overfinch with the beading and stitching again, and that'll continue around the back. It's the condition. This car's been so well looked after, and if you have got people joining you in the back, they've then got the 4K rear TV to keep them busy. Carbon fibre hardback covers just there, as you can see. Again, them seats continue on the back with the diamond quilted. You've got the Bluetooth headsets, the one-piece sport seat with a centre armrest that comes down, and this is very expensive, this whole setup, and the Overfinch badging. As you get to the back of the car, you might have heard at the start of the video, this sounds slightly louder than your standard SVR because it has got the Overfinch titanium exhaust, and then the fascia is completely different. Once again, like the front, the full back bumper is carbon fibre, but this midsection with the F1 slats, as you can see, is the exposed carbon fibre. Tailpipe covers, more carbon fibre here with the Overfinch logo replacing the Land Rover one, and then you have that lovely ring top rear spoiler. It's an SVR. Whilst you have style, you have sound, you have performance, you've also got practicality. Massive boot space, seats go down 60-40, and there is a spare wheel underneath there. It's only a space saver, but it's better than nothing. Bodywork, interior, wheels, everything's in the condition you'd expect it to be. This car has also got a ghost immobiliser, which I think might give you a bit more peace of mind. But then one more time, look at the condition of the driver's seat, the steering wheel, the extended carbon fibre, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's just got everything. I probably have missed a few more bits out, but again, get in touch with me. My name's Joe. I've been more than happy to help you, but this really is a one-off vehicle. There isn't many about, because not everybody's prepared to pay 40 or 50,000 pounds for the full conversion that it can sometimes cost to get something up to this level. This one's going live now. If you don't want to miss out, give me a call. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.